everybody, we have some very exciting news to share with you today.
We're officially affiliate partners with the clothing company Waterlust. If you guys want to find out a little more information, wait till the end of the video or just check out the link in the description. Alright, it's our last few days in the USVIs before we sail straight back to Florida. And our friends Bo and Brandy, you guys know Bo and Brandy, and Tim and Candy on Ohana behind us, and with some other friends around. So we're going to try and gather some fresh seafood and see what we can whip up and have a little beach bonfire and, yeah, hang out.
Our last hurrah on our year-long trip. What would you like me to get you for dinner?
Can you get some conch, please?
I suppose.
I'm in the middle of about to take apart the generator yet again to clean the carburetor. Oh.
I think we got a bad generator.
No, it's just the fuel. Somehow we got a bad batch of fuel or something. It's crazy because we use the same fuel for the dinghy engine. That one's got an external filter so I can inspect it, and no problems with that engine. No clog in that external filter, but we're having problems over and over with the generator, so I'm gonna take the internal filter out of the generator and put on a little external filter that I can see and just clean the carb again.
Tell everybody how much you love it.
It is great for making water. I'll say that.
We're out of, so we need it to work.
Yeah, that's right. We're like completely out of water, so I gotta get this thing going.
So this morning I already cleaned the bottom in preparation for our sail. Yesterday you checked the rig and we tested our VHF because you replaced the cable. What other preparations?
Fill up with food and make a bunch of food so we don't really have to make it offshore. We'll just like freeze a bunch of stuff.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh, Jetty. Jay's getting caught up in lines back here. What are you doing, silly girl? And what else do we have to do? Yeah, I just got fuel this morning, so we have plenty of diesel fuel. We have a bunch of gasoline, just in case we need to take the dinghy anywhere, like if we were to have to stop and anchor or something like that, or use the dinghy as a life raft.
Don't say that.
But yeah, next it's just gonna be checking the weather and getting ready to go, and then go.
And I don't know, have I told them about our rally?
I don't think so.
So we signed up for a rally to get back to Florida. It's being put on by the Salty Dog Association, and it's the Flotilla Home. And
so a rally is just pretty much this organization gets a bunch of boats sign up with them, and then they kind of organize it and get everyone's tracking, and they help with Chris Parker's weather service, so they help with weather routing and recommending when to go and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, so normally there's a fee in order to enter, but they're being so kind and trying to get as many cruisers out of the Caribbean as possible, so they're doing it donation based. So we gave a little donation and it's totally worth it because yeah, we got Chris Parker weather going straight to our inReach. We have tracking, and not only tracking for us but tracking of every other boat that's in our week flotilla, so our family can see not only us but all the other 20 boats that are with us. And yeah, they have just shoreside people waiting for you to get in, so they know you're here. They have people in the USVIs knowing when you leave, so they can start your tracking. I think it's totally worth it. They've been super nice and helpful, helping me get all of our stuff set up. And I'm excited because I know we'll have other people with us.
And this is our first rally, and it's also our longest passage we're going to be doing. It's going to be about 7 days.
Between 7 and 9.
But luckily it's easy downwind sailing, so knock on wood. So hopefully it will be pretty smooth sailing, and hopefully the other thing, we don't want it to be super rough and super windy, but we don't want it to be super calm either, because especially going downwind, we really want to breeze. We don't want to have to motor. We want to sail the whole way. 15 to 20 knots downwind would be perfect.
I just got word that as of this week, all the marinas are opening up, so I think
in
we'll
Florida
be able to get the boat hauled when we get back.
So we'll get the boat hauled, take care of some bottom work, and get it back in the water, and yeah. We're going to get some conch, we're going to get ready, I'm going to do this generator, and then we're going to go have a beach bonfire.
Prep our dinner.
Catch what you eat.
So
eat what you
on
catch.
The menu is conch salad and lobster mac and cheese.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, now that we have collected the conch, we have to measure them and make sure they are the correct size. Just a reminder, they have to be 9 inches long or 3/8 inch thick on their lip. Let's see. Okay, so this guy is just shy of 9 inches, but he is 3/8 thick. But since we got multiple other ones today, we're gonna let him go back in the water. Okay, so I have done 4 already. I think I'm warmed up, and I think I'm ready to do time. How long do you think it's gonna take?
3 minutes.
Okay, ready? This used to take me like 30 minutes per conch, but I think I've gotten a little faster.
Ready, set, go.
Are you almost ready to stop the timer? Okay, stop.
Oh man, take 2 seconds away. 3:17.
Does he pass inspection?
That's pretty dang good.
How long?
3:17.
I wanted to do under 3 minutes.
That is actually really impressive. That's why I let Sierra do all the conch cleaning. She does a good job.
He just doesn't want to get slimy.
Yeah, right. My hands are full of gasoline and I'm high from gasoline fumes and carb cleaner fumes. But as you guys can see, I got the generator going. It's pretty smooth and it's running the water maker right now. So we are making water. Sierra's cleaning conch, and is that the last one?
No, I have one more.
Do you want to try again?
Yeah. So what is my title if I get under 3 minutes?
Conch cleaning queen. Ready, set, go. Done?
What is it?
Yes.
292.
Good job. Let me see, let's inspect.
It's not as good as the other one, but it's still all edible.
Tastes pretty good. Alright, you're the conch cleaning queen. Yellow.
Where? Are you sure it's not conch junk?
It might be. It's still
Are you impressed with me?
Yeah.
I may not be as good as getting lobster with the snare, but I can catch a clean conch faster than anyone around. In case you were watching that and you were like, what the heck, there's so much stuff that you didn't eat. Well, it's all gunk, like super slimy, but we save it for chum. It's known, conch is like known as one of the best baits too. So chum and bait. Put it in our container and we'll save it for another day. I forgot to show you the whole process, but so far I have cut up my conch and pepper and 1 lime and 1 lemon and about a 1/4 cup of orange juice. And right now the conch is marinating with the peppers, and I'm gonna throw in an onion, and we're gonna have ourselves some conch salad.
We have leftover lobster we froze from the other day. Big one too. And Sierra's making some lobster mac and cheese. All right.
Okay, everything is pretty much ready for our bonfire. We have a cooler. In our cooler, we have lights, headlamps, speaker, plates, forks, conch salad, chips. All we're waiting for is the lobster to get mixed in with our mac and cheese.
How's it looking over there?
Look at all this lobster.
Wow. That's just from one big tail.
Yep.
What are you gonna do? Mix it all up?
Mix it all up, add some more cheese.
Oh, jeez Louise. So healthy.
Well, in their terms, it's keto.
No, it's not. The
Yes,
pasta?
it is.
Oh, the
It's
pasta.
chickpea and lentil. I sent a picture of the box and I said, "Can you eat this?" You think I don't check? Look at.
You just came through that window. You're not allowed to do that.
It's a garden party. How you doing?
Single tasker. What do you call it?
Single task.
We're going to the sandbar or where they have the picnic stuff?
I think over there. Sand, the beach.
The dog is so cute.
Get it in the timeline, like I'll get it in the timeline.
All right. It's a party.
He was crying, looking at you guys the whole way.
He's like, that boat has 2 dogs.
I
in
know,
it."
they left me.
Whoa.
It's a Mexican coleslaw, so it's a little different.
Hey, she smells all that.
You guys make deviled eggs?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh.
Some kind of salad.
What's in here?
Crab salad.
Ooh, yum. What's going on over here?
Imitation crab salad. Let me clarify.
Is that sausage and peppers?
This is roasted veggies,
Ooh.
chicken, and sweet coleslaw.
Wow, that looks so good. It's a feast. It's time to eat. I'm gonna go have some food. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, you guys. Party's over.
Okay, we are back on the boat. Super tired. Almost everything's put away besides the dishes. Billy, who's doing the dishes?
That's my job.
We had tons of fun with all of our friends. And now it's time to start getting super ready to leave.
Yep, I think we're gonna have to crack down and really edit some videos so you guys have some entertainment while we are out at sea for 7 days, and yeah, and just get really just provisioned up now. At this point, everything is checked, oil is changed, we're ready to go. We just gotta
Get food,
stock
make
up.
the food,
Yeah,
and then hopefully we have a lot of conch bait, so hopefully do one last fishing trip to get some yellowtail to hopefully have a nice fish dinner with our family when we get home.
so wish us luck, you guys. I think the next video will probably be about just provisioning and pretty much leaving. Maybe we'll have that yellowtail fishing video out.
Okay, adios. Hey everybody, so as you guys know, we have been wearing Waterlust for years now. This company is like near and dear to our heart. They're amazing people that set up a clothing company to help educate and raise money for research projects on specific species and subjects, and the owners are just amazing. Their products are super unique but absolutely rad.
And super high quality. Their prints come from the actual sea animals we see out there on our adventures in the ocean, including tiger sharks, whale sharks. This is inspired by salmon in Alaska. And a few other things like that, some sea turtle prints, and we just have been loving their stuff. You probably see it in our videos all the time, and we are so happy to announce that we're finally affiliate partners with them. They're offering us a very generous commission for any sales that come through us to Waterlust, and that will help support our channel in a huge way. So if you guys like any of this Waterlust stuff you see us wearing, our bathing suits, our UPF shirts, our board shorts,
leggings, sports bras, like any of that stuff, it's probably Waterlust, and if it's gotten a unique print, it is 100% Waterlust.
So check out the link in the description. Just click that link, do your shopping on Waterlust, whatever you like, and then that'll really help support our channel. So hopefully that's of value to you guys.
And we forgot to tell them two of the most important parts. All of their clothing is made out of recycled plastic bottles, which is awesome, and 10% of all profits on every design goes towards a project, a research project, or an education project for the specific species or environment that the clothing product represents. So super awesome. They've done an amazing job, and we're very proud to represent them.
Thanks so much for watching as usual, you guys, and we will see you next time.
And don't forget, waterlust.com/Tula.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Hey everybody, Captain Bill here. I'm motoring up to Stewart right now on my little 26-foot pocket cruiser called Tula.
I'm so close, and yet so far. We're on a mission.
My love is for the